Hello guys, it is me Caleb, and today I am talking about a simple bird. So, first, birds are flying. Second, they can't see glass. Third, they run into windows, but this time it just broke its neck while flying. This is the bird that flew into the glass. Hello bird, you alive? He's broken its neck. Oh, the other eye's wide open.
You must have hit it on that side then, eh?
Yeah. Oh.
That's what happens when you fly into a window.
Solani, we're keeping you well away from this thing, otherwise you might... You know what dogs do to birds, guys. They eat them. Let's just see if it can fly. What's it doing? What's it doing? It keeps falling down. Oh, poor bird. Oh, the wings feel weird. You like that? You like that? Oh.
Look, you can stand up now.
Yeah.
I can't.
It just keeps hitting his head on the table. Maybe we should put it up in the tree. But if it falls down, you can't touch it, okay? You can't touch it. You can't touch it. You can't. Let me just say it 10 times in your ear so you know. Never mind. Dogs are useless. So let's go find a tree that we can maybe put it in. So we gotta just remember to close the gate so Lani doesn't get out. Goodbye. Oh, close the gate. There we go. So maybe we could put it under there. Be free. Don't hit your head again. Oh, it's going. It's going. Is it gonna move anymore? It's stuck. It's broken. Is it dead now?
Oh, I think it's just resting. It's pretty well buggered, I think, mate.
And Lani's trying to get out because she wants the bird for her own lunch or tea. But that's not going to happen. Let's just see what happens. I don't think it'll get better. Well, it's still puffing. That's a good sign. Keep zooming in on the bird because I need to see if it's alright on the camera. So now you guys know why you can't let birds. You can't let birds, what is it called again? Bang into windows. That's what I was going to say. Forgot what I was going to say. See, it's puffing. Its leg is moving. Oh, it twitched its head. Oh, it's twitching it again. It's looking the other way. What's behind there, buddy? Hey, can you talk to me? Do you have anything to say? No? No? Okay. Well, hope he has a good life. Oh yeah, let's have a look at the bird cam. So that was the bird cam. You have anything to say for yourself, Lani? Yeah. Don't run away, otherwise I'll stab you and you'll get the bird. Don't get the bird, okay? And don't run away. Don't go to McDonald's again. Don't walk off like that. She's trying to escape. Dun, 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 dun. Annie, look at the camera. Look at... Ah! I never knew Lani could transform. Let's go see the bird again. Because it might be dead by now. We never know. Hey. Let's go. Stay there. Oh, bird! He's awake! Look, guys! The bird's awake! He's just looking fiercely. He's just looking at me. What's gonna happen? Still breathing, that's good. I'm just looking at my, the leaves. Where is the bird? I'm just looking at stupid crunched leaves. Wait, oh no, that's not it. Maybe I'll just have to sit back. So the rock's there. Move up, up. Oh, there it is! I finally found it. You got anything to say? Tweet, tweet, tweet. I said anything when I just meant, oh great, now I lost it again. But you guys saw what that bird was doing. You know what it was doing. Right? There it is again. Look how scrunchy these leaves are. Not that scrunchy, but oh, there you go. That's a good scrunch. You okay, little birdie? I know banging into windows are hard, but hard to control, eh? Control your temper. I'm just trying to pet it so it feels better. Pets feel better. I pet it on the neck. Is its eye still crooked? Oh no! It's fixed its eye. I think that was the broken one. Good bird. He's just sitting here waiting for me to come back in. Oh, I've got leaves down my back now. Just gotta wash my hands because though that bird might have viruses and stuff. I don't know why, but our tap's crooked. Hi guys. Just gotta wash my hands. I'm just fixing the camera just to make sure. Why am I looking not at the camera? I'm like literally looking at the phone. Is that better? Can you see? I can see through the mirror. So is that alright? Yeah, I think. I'm doing the boogie. Okay. Turn the tap on. Wash my hands. Put some soap 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 on. Wash my hands. Dry my hands. And turn the tap off. Oh, there we go. That's how you wash hands. So it's been 8 minutes and 40, 45, 46, 48, 49, 50 seconds now. And the bird is probably still dead. Was it dead before? Even though it wasn't a long time, I can't remember. Let's go check. Oh yeah, Mel. Oh, remember in our first video when I said that this was my eyelid? Well, it isn't my eyelid, okay? I meant to say brain, but it is my eyelid. Why did I say it's not my eyelid when it is my eyelid? I didn't mean to say eyelid. I meant to say brain, 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 brain. Lani, anything to say for yourself? Nothing? Okay. Yeah. Anyways, this is the marble that I found. Snail's house. May look a little different, but it's our marble. Because I washed it and it turns out to be blue. Let's go. Wait, what are we doing down here? We're meant to be checking on the bird. Where's it gone? Oh, there it is. It's still there. No, I'm not going to zoom in again. Oh, poor little bird legs. Look. Oh, this toe's crooked. So guys, I'm going to have to end it there. You can see Lani through the crack. Oh gosh, Lani. There we go, we can see insects on your body now. No, let me see insects on your body. Once again, please. Your screen is probably black. Lani, sit, Lani, sit. Good girl, you're sitting. No. You kidding me, Lani? Is that really how you behave? My mobile's lost now. Oh no, it's not. I found it. Bye guys. Subscribe, like button, bell notification, and you should never, ever put a bird on a window, because then it will fly and bang into the window.